Hi boys and girls, for today's PE class, we're going to play a game called Race to 100. For this game, you're going to need two things. If you don't have these two things, don't worry. We're going to make an option for them, okay? First thing you need is this game chart, okay? You're going to need this 100 chart that I'll teach you how to make. You can either have your mom or dad print it out, or you can make your own. So let's make our own just in case. That's the game that we're going to play, okay? We're going to make this 100 chart just in case you can't print it out and you don't have a printer. All you need is a piece of paper, okay? And a pen or a marker. I have both. I have a pen and I have a marker. So I think I'm going to use a pen first, okay? So here's my paper. On this paper, to make a 100s chart, I need 10 rows and 10 columns. That means I'll need 11 lines going across and 11 lines going down, okay? So I want to use the whole paper so my numbers are nice and big. So I'm going to try my best to make these lines straight. It doesn't matter which way you make them, okay? We're going across, and we're going down, okay? So let me show you how this looks, okay? Let's try this first. Let's go across first, okay? I'm gonna go all the way to the top and just go all the way across. That's one. I have to make 11 of these lines, okay? I have to make 11 of these lines. So let's try our best to do 11. That's 2. That's 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. So I filled out my whole sheet, the lines going across 11 of those 11 lines. Now I have to make them going down. Okay, I have to go down and make 11 columns. Okay, so let's try our best to make 11. Okay, I'm gonna start on one end and try and go all the way across and make sure that there's 11 only. Okay, that way it's easier. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and they don't have to be perfect. 5, 6. Now I see how much space I have left. I'll use the rest to finish the 4 more. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's my 11. So that's my hundreds chart. Okay, and you know what? If you weren't able to make it exactly 11 and 11 yet, turn the page over and try again. And you still can't make 11 and 11 yet, grab another piece and try again. Okay, I actually got lucky there. I got lucky that I was able to make a hundreds chart right away. I just try to estimate about how much space I need for each one. Okay, now the next step, we have to make this a hundreds chart by filling numbers in, writing 1 to 100. Okay, so let me see if you can see this. I'm going to write 1 on the first spot. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's the first row. That's how it should look like. Okay, and then I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going until my hundreds chart is filled up. Okay, so I want you to take some time. You can stay on this video and watch how I'm doing it, but you're doing it the same way. Okay, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now I go down to the next row, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, that's how the 20s look. Okay, and slowly I'm getting there. I'm doing my 30s now. Okay, I want you to see this a little bit better. Okay, let's do 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I'm at my 40s. Okay, that's how it looks. Okay, take your time. Okay, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Right, like that. So I want you to continue doing this. Okay, continue doing this until you're done with your hundreds chart, and then come back to the computer. Okay, it should look just like that, something like that. Okay, doesn't have to be exact, but something like that. Okay, when you're done, come back to the computer. I'm gonna pause because I want to finish this chart. Welcome back, boys and girls. Hopefully you're done with your hundreds chart. You might want to make more than one. You might want to make 2 or 3 of them so you can play the game more than one time. Okay, so I'm done. It looks just like that. Okay, I went all the way to 100, and if you notice, it's not perfectly straight. The lines are, some lines are wider, some lines are a little bit more skinnier, but it's my hundreds chart. Okay, I can use this to play our game now. Okay, the next thing you need will be a die. Here's a die. Okay, if you have this, if you have one in the house, go grab it. If you don't have one in the house, that's okay. I have an option for that. Okay, so go grab this if you have it. If you don't, here is your option. Okay, go grab a deck of cards. Ask your mom or dad, do they have a deck of cards? Okay, here's a deck of cards. Okay, go grab this if you have it. Okay, once you have it, come back. I want you to grab, just pull out 6 cards for me. We just need the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We just need those numbers. Okay, so I'm gonna go through this and look for those numbers, and hopefully you can see me looking for these numbers. Okay, there's 7, I don't need 7. There's 2, I do need that. Okay, there's 2, there's 5, I'll take that. I'll put the cards I don't need away. There's a 4, there's a 9, an 8, a 10, a 2, a 5, a 9. Okay, I don't need all these cards. A 6, I'll take the 6. Okay, I have 4, 5, 6, 2. Here's a 3. Okay, so I have these cards now that are ready to go. But I need one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need a 1. I need an ace. We'll call it ace of 1 because it has 1 symbol on it. So here are my 6 cards. I have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6. Okay, so I can use these. I can use those cards to play our game. Okay, so it's either a die or deck of cards, ace to 6. If you don't have a deck of cards, that's okay. We have option 3. Option 3 is grab a piece of paper. Okay, we're gonna fold this. This is called hot dog style. No, wait, that's a hamburger style. Hamburger style. Okay, fold a hamburger style like that. Now it's folded. Okay, hamburger style. And then the next thing to do is we have to be really careful and fold it into equal thirds. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. That means it's equal on 3 different parts. So I'm gonna try my best. Here's about 1/3. Okay, I'm gonna fold it right over there. And then I'm gonna fold this last part in, and it's almost equal. Very close to being equal. Very close to being super equal. 3 different parts. Okay, so here we go. I have 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. If I open it, I have 6. Now carefully tear it. I'm gonna make sure I crease this a little bit more so that when I tear it, the tear is nice and straight. Okay, here we go. Here we go. And here we go. Okay, let me tear it carefully on my table so that it doesn't, so it stays straight as much as I can. Okay, tear it nice and straight. And then I have 3 so far. 1, 2, 3. And then let me tear this one into equal parts. That's 1. Take your time. That's 2 and 3. So I have 6 now. Okay, with these 6 pieces of paper, I'm gonna write numbers on them. 1 to 6. Okay. I'm gonna use a pen because I don't want to use a marker because otherwise it'll show through and you'll know what the numbers are. Okay, here's my number 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. Here's 4. Here's 5. And here's 6. Okay, so when you're ready, we can start playing our game. Okay, but for now, we have 3 things all together. Okay, we have a hundreds chart ready to go. Actually, the first thing actually is our explanation of the game. Okay, we need this one first. This tells us what to do when we roll a certain number. Okay, so we have our game sheet. Okay, and then we have our numbers chart. Okay, if you have the game sheet, you can just use the game sheet also. You can use that hundreds chart right there. And then we have our hundreds chart, and then we have our die. Okay, or if you don't have the die, you have your numbers, either deck of cards or your own numbers. Okay, that's all we need for now, and then we'll get started with the game. Okay, so get those things ready. When you're ready, come back to the computer, the video, and let's play the game. Hi boys and girls, welcome back to Race to 100, our game for today. Okay, make sure you have your game chart ready. Okay, this tells you what to do if you roll a certain number and it has a hundreds chart on it. Also make sure you have your own hundreds chart that you can write on, so you can cross out numbers. Okay, and the other thing that we're going to need for this game is a sock ball. And to make a sock ball, you just need a pair of socks. Stack them up, one on top of the other. Roll it from the toes in. Roll it all the way down to where the ankle is and where it has an opening. Oops, I didn't do that right, so let me do it over again. Okay, stack them up together. Roll from the toes to the ankle, and with one of the openings, just wrap it all the way around. Okay, and that's how we have our sock ball. Our version of Race to 100 is, I'll show you what we do for each number that you roll. Okay, for number 1, if you roll a 1, you throw and catch 5 times. If you roll a 2, you do 5 rainbow catches. If you roll a 3, you do a throw, a clap, and a catch. If you roll a 4, a throw, a catch low, catch the sock ball low. If you roll a 5, you throw, you strike, and you catch 5 times. And if you roll a 6, you do a hop, throw, and catch. Okay, so let me show you what each one is. And I should bring the sheet with me because I'm going to forget all those things. Make sure you have a safe space. And I'll go over each one and show you how that they look. Okay, here I go. Okay, 1. If I roll a 1, I'm going to throw and catch it 5 times. Okay, throw, catch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you roll a 2, 5 rainbow catches. That means go from one hand to the other side. The rainbow. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 rainbow. Okay, if you roll a 3, whoa, throw, clap, and catch. Okay, 5 times. Throw, clap, 1, throw, clap, catch 2, throw, clap, catch 4, 3, catch 4, and 5. If you roll a 4, throw and catch low. Okay, we can move this screen a little bit lower so you can see how low I'm catching this. Okay, throw and catch it all the way down here. That's 1. Throw all the way down here. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Okay, next one is number 5. Throw, strike, catch. I'm gonna stay down here actually. Throw, strike, and catch. Throw, strike, and catch. That's 2. Throw, strike, and catch. That's 3. I'm gonna switch hands. Throw, strike, catch. That's 4. Throw. That's 5. Let me just make sure that was 5. Okay. And the last one, throw, hopping. Throwing and catching 5 times. Stand up. Okay. I'm gonna hop. Throw and catch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So those are the things Okay, I'm going to start with just using a die. Okay, a die is a dice. Here we go. Okay, here's my die. I'm going to roll it and see what action I have to do. Okay, and let's see what I have. I get a 4. A 4 is throw and catch low 5 times. Here's 4. Throw, catch low 5 times. So here I go. Boom, 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 boom. Throw. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, that was 4. I'm gonna go to my chart. I'm going to grab my pencil or pen. I'm gonna cross off the number 4. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna cross off the number 4. Bam. Okay. The next row I'm gonna do. Let's see what I get next. Let's see. Here we go. 4 again. 4 again. Okay, throw and catch low again then. That's what it came up as. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's super low. Okay, so I just go 4 more spaces. I'm at 4. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm at 8. I cross out the number 8. I need 92 more to get to 100. Let me roll it maybe 2 more times. Oops, you didn't see that. But that was a 3. That was a 3. A 3 means I have to do something else now. A 3 means throw, clap, and catch. Here I go. Throw, clap, and catch. Here's my space. Throw, clap, catch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, I missed that one. Whoa. That's 4 still, and that's 5. Okay. So that was a number 3. I was at number 8. 1, 2, 3. I'm at 11 now. I crossed out number 11. I'm trying to get to 100. Okay. Let's do another row and see where we go. Okay. Here I go. 2. That's a 2. Okay, what's 2 say on our game chart? 2 says 5 rainbow catches. I like rainbow catches. Nice one to do. Okay, here we go. 5 rainbow catches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was nice. 5 rainbow catches. That was number 2, but that didn't bring me up a whole lot. I'm at 1, 2. I'm gonna cross out 13. Okay, now we keep going. Okay, let's do one more. One last one with the die, and then we'll use the deck of cards. Okay, here we go. A 2 again, yay! Okay, 5 rainbow catches again. Okay, here we go. 5 rainbow catches. Whoa! 1, 2, nice rainbows. 3, nice 5, 4, and 5. Okay, so we go 2 more. Okay, I go from 13. Okay, I do 1, 2. I'm gonna cross out 15. Here I go. Okay. Okay, now, so that's one option. We can use a die. Our second option, if you don't have a die, is find a deck, ask your mom or dad for a deck of cards and pull your numbers out. 1 to 6. Okay. I'm gonna put all these nice and flat upside down on the table. I'm gonna mix them up, and then I'm gonna just randomly pull one out. Okay, let's try this one here. That is the number 2. 2 again. Ah, rainbow throws. 5 of them. Let's go. We're getting really good at rainbow throws now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rainbow throws. The good thing is they're fun and easy. The bad thing is it's only number 2. So I'm at 15. I go 1, 2. I'm at 17. Let's cross out 17. Okay. Okay, let's mix our cards up again. Mix them up, mix them up, mix them up, mix them up. And I want this card. That's a 6. A 6 says we are doing something fun. We're doing 6. Hop, throw, catch. 5 times. Hop, throw, catch. Okay? So get ready to hop. Hop in, swing, go. Then go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, you missed that one. Pick it up. That's was the number 6. Yay! I'm moving 6 spots now. I'm at 17. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm at 23. Put an X on 23. Put an X on 23, and let's try one more actually. Let's try one more with our deck of cards. Okay? Mix them up. Oops. Mix them up. Mix them up. Mix them up. And let's pull this one here. The number 4. Boom. The number 4 says, oh, throw and catch low 5 times. Okay, let me do that for you. Throw and catch low 5 times. Okay, here we go. Step back to my space. Throw. Whoa. Then one way down. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, that was throw and catch low. So that was number 4. So I'm gonna go 4 steps now. Okay, I'm at 23. 1, 2, 3, 4. I cross out 27. Okay, so that was the version with a deck of cards. I'm gonna put the deck of cards away. And if you did not have a deck of cards, if you had our number cards that we made ourselves with our folded paper, we're going to do this kind of the same thing actually. We're going to put them upside down on the table. We are going to mix it up really well. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, and pull one random number out. I choose this one, number 6. Number 6, according to our game sheet, says, number 6 says, hop, throw 5 times. Okay, let's see. Hop, throw 5 times. Let's go. Hopping's right there. Here we go. Hopping, throw, catch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's go back. We get to move up 6 spots now. That's a good thing about that. I'm at 27. Okay, 6 spots. Oops. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm at 33. Getting closer to 100. Okay, mix our cards up again. Here we go. Mix up our cards. The next number is the number 5. The number 5. The number 5. The number 5. And 5, according to our game sheet, says throw, strike, and catch 5 times. So here's my sock. I have to be really careful that I don't strike it too hard, otherwise it's going to hit something, okay? Throw, strike, catch. 1, throw, strike, throw, 2, that's 3, let's try my other hand. That's 4, and 5. Okay, that was number 5. And that's a good thing, because that means I get to move up 5 spots. Okay, I'm at 33. I'm at 33. I get to move up 5 spots. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm at 38. I'm gonna cross out 38. I'm almost halfway there. And let's do one more. Okay, one more with our handmade number cards. Mix them up really well. Mix them up really well. And let's try this one here. This one is number 3. Number 3 says on our game card, number 3 says throw, clap, catch 5 times. So I'm gonna throw, clap, and catch 5 times. Here we go. Throw, clap, catch. I'm gonna clap soft. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, that's done. That was the number 3. That means I get to move up 3 spots. I'm at 38. Okay, 38. So 39, 40, and then 41. I'm at 41. I'm across out number 41. Bam. Almost halfway there. Okay, so your job. Play any version you want or any version that you have. If you have a die, play with a die. If you have a deck of cards, play with your deck of cards. If you have your own number cards, use your own number cards. Your job is to get to 100 as fast and as safe as you can. Okay, you can play this by yourself. You can play with your mom or your dad, your brother or your sister, your auntie or your uncle, your cousin, or anyone else. Okay, have fun, be safe, and I'll see you next time. Okay, and next time, tell me how long did it take for you to get to 100. See you next time. Okay.